Jollof rice is a spicy, hearty West African dish that you should totally make. Before we craft this beauty, we must go beyond the kitchen to my local African/Caribbean market, Old World Market, in between Uptown and Edgewater in Chicago. This spot's got it all: real deal yams, not sweet potatoes, Scotch bonnet chilies, and a ton of offcuts of meat that you won't find at your average supermarket. Alright, let's cook. Into a blender go tomato, onion, red pepper, garlic, ginger, and this is the famous Scotch bonnet chili, a very spicy chili pepper. If you can't find it, just sub it for habanero. Blitz that all up until a fine puree forms, then set it aside. In a large Dutch oven over medium heat goes a bit of oil, then we're gonna pop our chicken thighs in, a lot of spices, mix that around, sort of toasting the spices and browning the chicken, then in with the long grain rice and our tomato puree. Loosen it all up with a bit of water, then in with our bay leaves, cover and cook for 45 minutes or until the rice is perfectly, just, to the tooth, al dente. It should have a little chew, but it should still be tender. Oh, heck yeah, dude, that looks real nice. Oh, baby.